Here's something that'll mess with your head. 73% of people earning over six figures never finished a 4-year degree. Not some random stat I pulled out of thin air. This is actual Bureau of Labor data that universities don't want you to see. And if you're watching this feeling trapped by the "you need a degree" narrative, today's video is your permission slip to forget everything you've been told about the path to wealth. I'm going to walk you through 5 high-income skills you can learn without a single lecture hall, and more importantly, without drowning in 100K plus of student debt. These are skills people are literally learning in 3 to 6 months and turning into 6-figure side hustles. Let's get into it. Skill 1. Copywriting. Listen, copywriting is just the art of persuasion on paper. It's convincing someone to click a button, buy a product, or take action. Sounds simple? It is. And it pays between $5,000 to $20,000 per project once you get good. Here's the shocking part. Most businesses are desperate for people who can write sales pages, emails, and ads that convert. They'll literally pay you thousands because a single 10% improvement in conversion rates adds up to millions in revenue for them. You can learn copywriting for free on YouTube, Reddit forums, and books like The Boron Letters. Then practice by writing sales pages for small businesses in your area. Within 6 months, you're charging $3,000 or $5,000 for a sales page. Within a year, you're picking and choosing clients and making $10K a month part-time. That's not hype. That's a real path thousands are taking right now. Skill 2. Web development. Now here's where the pattern interrupt hits. You might think coding is hard. I'm not tech smart. Wrong. Coding is just following recipes. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these aren't magical mysteries. They're patterns. And once you learn them, you're in a world where 120 to 180K salaries are the baseline, not the ceiling. Self-taught developers are now the majority in tech. Companies stopped caring about degrees because they care about, can you build the thing? Can you solve the problem? Can you ship code? That's it. Boot camps like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, or even YouTube will get you job ready in 4 to 6 months. You spend $500 maximum. Then, you're interviewing for remote positions, paying $80K starting salary. No student debt, no waiting tables. Just a skill that compounds every single year as you level up. Skill 3. Digital marketing. Digital marketing is the most underrated wealth accelerator right now because it combines copywriting, psychology, and data. If you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, and understand analytics, you're valuable to literally every business on planet Earth. E-commerce owners, coaches, agencies, SaaS companies, they all need people who can drive traffic profitably. Digital marketers average 80K, 150K annually. But here's the beautiful part. You can start as a freelancer, build a few case studies, then scale to running your own agency. One client spending $10K a month on ads, you take 20 to 30% commission. Suddenly you're making $2K, $3K monthly from one relationship. 5 clients? You're hitting $100K annually, and you learnt this on YouTube and through free Google Ads courses. The barrier to entry is impossibly low. The barrier to execution is where most people quit. The pattern interrupt 2. Skill stacking. Here's what separates the 50K earners from the 200K earners. They don't pick one skill and master it in isolation. They stack. Copywriting plus digital marketing, You're running high-converting ad campaigns that make you invaluable. Web development plus digital marketing. You're building landing pages and driving traffic to them. This is why I see self-taught people out-earn MBAs. They're combining 2 to 3 skills while MBA grads are still learning one thing. Your mission: pick a primary skill, master it to 80% competency, then add a complementary skill. Your earning potential doesn't double, it multiplies. Layering with index fund investing. Now, and this is crucial, earning high income without wealth strategy is just being a high-paid employee. You need to convert that income into assets. This is where index funds like SPY and VGT come in. Once you hit 5K monthly income from your skill, you start funneling £30, 50% into index funds on autopilot. SPY gives you the entire market. VGT tilts toward technology companies driving future growth. Set up automatic investments every paycheck, and you're building two things simultaneously: skill income and compound wealth. In 10 years, that combination is generational wealth. Most people never combine these two forces. High income alone doesn't create freedom. High income plus index fund discipline creates freedom. Your next move. Pick one skill, not all 5. 1. Commit 30 days to learning it seriously. YouTube, courses, free resources. Then spend the next 30 days packaging it and offering it to real people. Charge something, even if it's low. The goal is real feedback from real customers, not perfection. Within 90 days, you'll have either found your path or discovered what doesn't work. Both are wins. Then layer it. Then invest the profits. The degree isn't dead. It's just optional now. Your skill is the new degree. And unlike a diploma that sits in a frame, skills compound every single day. If this hit for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building strategies, and drop a comment. What's the skill you want to learn but keep putting off? I'll be reading through and might feature your comment in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.